Welcome aboard. If you're camping, hold on to the handrails. Never put your lien on the doors. Next stop, Base Resort, CCC.
If you've just joined us, welcome aboard. For those of you please pull on the back and stay clear of the door. For the comfort of others, don't please. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking. To the right is Disney-created Seven Seas Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. Nestled on the shoulder conveyor are Disney's Fort Building Floating Campground and Disney's Floating Park, home to Copper Creek Village. One of the newest vacation. This itinerary Polynesian Resort with continuing service to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa and the Magic Kingdom.
Take some children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step.
Welcome aboard if you're standing on onto the handrail, never protruding on the doors.
To those guests who joined us, welcome. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrail throughout our journey and remain clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We are traveling with Disney's Polynesian Resort. Inside the Great Ceremonial House, you'll find shopping and dining with a South-Sea flavor. Stopping at Disney's Polynesian Resort. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, with continuing service to the Magic Kingdom and Disney's Contemporary Resort. Thank you. This is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Please watch your head and step as you exit and take small children by the hand. Please remember to collect your belongings and take them children by the hand.
Let's go.